Hey everyone, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, over here we are discussing plans and those are the 2D plans, and today it is going to be a little special because we are also going to discuss the elevations of those plans. Okay, so why are all these things related to you? If you are someone who is willing to build a house, then you need to study a lot of plans before that. Okay, and why so? Because only then you can just pick the best plan for you. Otherwise you can simply connect to us, and my number is there in the description. You can simply connect me and you can ask me to help you out in making your plans, and at a very minimal charge I will help you out with that. Okay, now if you are someone who is a civil engineering student, then I can also train you on how to plan a building. Okay, so if you want to connect me, then my number is in the description. It's 8433248864. You can simply connect me through that. Now we will study a 25 feet by 40 feet plan today, and we are going to study three plans and the elevations of the same. So first of all, start with the plan one. So you can see this is my screen, and over here I have the ground floor plan. So first of all, let's see what the architect has done and how we are going to like modify it according to the requirement. So I will just discuss according to the client's perspective. And over here this is our ground floor plan. So you can see this is the main gate, and then we have the lawn on the right, which is 5 feet 8 inches wide, which is a very good thing because that much is ample for the lawn. Then we have a porch area of 8 feet by 15 feet 8 inches, and we have two entering doors, or you can say two entrance doors. One is opening into the hall, or you can say the drawing room, which is quite big or spacious, which is 15 feet 8 inches by 11 feet 4 inches, and it is also opening to the dining area over here. Now we have another entrance to the building, and that is directly opening to the dining area, and on the right we have a toilet, and the door of the toilet is moving below from the below the staircase. So we have a staircase over here, and this is an open well staircase, and we have another opening from here which is leading us to the bedroom on the left and the kitchen on the right. Then we have another storeroom over here, which is a small storeroom, and we don't require very much space for the storeroom, so it is quite good. So you can see this storeroom is 5 feet 4 inches by 4 feet. Okay, so it is quite good. And this bedroom is having a attached toilet, so you can call it a master bedroom. But the another special thing is over here is we are also getting a puja room, which is attached directly to this open space over here. Now we have this kitchen and this bedroom as well as this puja room, which is getting the ventilation from this open to sky space, and this dining room and the hall is getting the ventilation from directly outside the building. This toilet is not getting ventilation from anywhere, so we can just provide the ventilation over here, a little space for the ventilation, but it is not open to sky, so it will not be very much helpful for you. Okay, so the ventilation of the toilet is a questionable thing over here. Otherwise, the plan is good. Now we will move to the first floor. So over here you can see on the first floor we are directly opening to the lobby area over here. It is mentioned the dining room, but I'm sure the person was willing to create the lobby area. So it is showing us that we are having the bedroom over here and the attached toilet. The this is just the exact replica of what was there on the ground floor. The puja room is opening directly into the like bedroom, and then we have this open space on the right. We have the terrace instead of the kitchen. Okay, so again a good thing. And again, why I was saying this as a lobby and not as a dining area, because we don't have any kind of kitchen over here. So the dining area is the space that is beside the kitchen, and we can just place our dining table over there. So that's why I was calling it lobby. Okay, then we can see we have a bedroom over here, and this bedroom is having a attached toilet over here, and then we also have a sit out area in the front. Okay, so on total this complete building of 25 feet by 40 feet is having three master bedrooms, 1, 2 and 3. Now what could have been like a point of question in this plan? First thing, this toilet is not getting ventilation from anywhere. The same problem is with this toilet. Okay, so this can be rearranged. Now you can see the a puja room is opening directly into the bedroom. Okay, so if we would have planned this in a manner that it is not connected with any kind of bedroom or kitchen, then it would have been a better plan. Otherwise, everything else is as like quite good over here, except for the problem that is being created over here. If this is a step, okay, then we also need to provide a step over here, or we can simply avoid this door. We can just go with this door, and we can have another door over here, and we, for the ventilation, we can simply provide a window over here. That would have been made this like a plan a little more attractive for the clients. Okay, that was my perception, but the clients may have the other perceptions, and there are things like vastu that may restrict all these things from making any kind of change, like the direction of the door may be restricted because of the vastu. So we need to rearrange this plan. Okay, now we will go for the elevations, and we will see what are the things that are good or bad in this elevation. So on the first look, I am getting a vibe that okay, it is a good elevation, and over here we have the two windows, and on this side we have a main door. So this is quite good. Then this is the another door that we discussed on the ground floor. Then we have a window again. So you can see for the plan of the ground floor, we have this window door and this another door over here. So this is quite good, and then the design is also like quite attractive over here. For the modern design is there for now. Okay, so we can go with this kind of elevation. Now we will move directly to the next plan, but before that we have a little announcement for you. So let's see what is this. If you are someone who is a civil engineering student, then we can guide you over how to make the building plans, and for that we will need a software that is AutoCAD, which should be pre-installed in your laptop or the system, and this is a 10-day schedule, or it can be extended to even 15 days if it is required from your end. Okay, so the first thing will be the introduction part, where we will introduce you to the whole course, and then we will guide you over how to deal with the clients. Then we will also learn about the different building components, like you can see over here. In this building we have different rooms, and all these rooms have particular dimensions. So why these rooms are getting particular dimensions, like why this bedroom is 11 feet by 14 feet, why not 8 feet by 7 feet? Okay, so what is the theory behind that? So all these things come under the building concept, and we will guide you over what are the different building components, and what are the concept of fixing the size of any particular room. Then we will also guide you through the vastu considerations, like on which direction we have to place any particular room. Then we have the classes for the conceptual planning, and we will introduce you to the CAD, then how to draft in the CAD, that will be discussed. Then the furniture layout of the 2D plan will be discussed. Now what is furniture layout? See, this is a simple plan, okay, that we have discussed. Now this type of plan is a known as the furniture layout plan, where we place the furnitures in the plan. Okay, so this is a furniture layout plan, so we will guide you over how to do all these things. Then we will also guide you for the column positioning and the center line concept. So you can see over here, in this plan we have the furnitures but we don't have the columns, but in this plan we don't have the furnitures but we have the columns. So we will guide you over how to do all these things together over there in the classroom. Okay, so everything will be covered in the class. If you are someone who is like willing to join our classes, then you can simply connect me through the WhatsApp. My number is there in the description. It's 8433248864. You can simply connect me through that. Now we will go for the study of the next plan that is over here, and this is again a 25 feet by 40 feet plan. Oh, sorry, 48 feet plan is there. And over here you can see we have this ground floor plan on the right, and that is this is the main entrance. Then we have a 4 feet 10 inches wide lawn, which is quite a good space. This is again having the two different entrances to the house. One is opening directly to the drawing room, and another one is opening directly to the lounge area, or you can say the dining area. Then over here we have our kitchen, which is quite a good thing, and I am very much impressed with this. You can see the staircase is also quite good over here, like positioned quite well over here. This is again an open well type of a staircase, and this kitchen is getting the ventilation from the outside. This dining area is getting the ventilation from the outside. Then we have this toilet, and this toilet is getting the ventilation from this duct, which is also providing the ventilation for this bedroom and this dining room. Now this thing can be a questionable, why this cupboard, and because this is quite a good space to fit the cupboard, but if you are providing the ventilation from this side, then it is quite good. Otherwise you can also shift this cupboard and you can provide a window over here. Okay, now we can see we have two bedrooms over here, and these two bedrooms are getting the ventilation from this wash area, and we also have a toilet attached to this a particular bedroom. So you can say this is a master bedroom. Okay, so everything is quite good over here. Just the wash area is a little far from the kitchen, but that can be adjusted if it is required. Okay, because this will be like used only to dry out your clothes, and you can also place the washing machine over here, so that will be also a good option to properly manage your house. Now we will go for the elevation of this house. So it is again a modern type of the elevation that we are looking over here, and we can see these are the two doors. So one is opening to the what was that, this was our passage, and then this is our drawing room. So okay, the doors are properly placed. Then we have the two windows, and one is for the kitchen and another one is for the drawing room. And then we have this particular design, and this is design is quite impressive. Okay, so we can go with this type of elevation, there is no issue with that. Now before moving to the next plan, we have something to show to you. So I have a class note, okay, and I'm just preparing that in my ongoing batch. So you can see this is the drawing that has been prepared by my student. So you can see over here, so he has prepared it for the first floor, and then this is for the ground floor. So these are the two plans, and the plan was for 35 feet by 50 feet of the built up area, and the whole plot area was 34 feet by 54 feet. Then we had this open villa staircase over here, and then we have the door window schedule over here. Okay, so this is the basic plan, and the furniture layout is ongoing in the class. I think by the time when you will just watch another video on our channel, by that time the furniture layout will be completed. Okay, so what are the different things that we are covering over here? We are planning the whole course over here. Then we will discuss each and everything into the detail, and you can also get this class note. This is for just 199. You can just give me a call on the number that is given in the description, and I can just provide the PDF of this. So that is for 199, less than 200. Okay, so you can get everything like how to plan the staircase, what are the calculations of that, and all these notes will be in PDF format. So you can use it at any time, and whatever I'm discussing in the class, everything is mentioned over here. Or you can simply join our classes. The course fee for joining our class is very minimal, and I will just tell you that by the end of this session. So stick to the end of this session. Okay, now we will go for our next plan, that is again a plan of 24 feet by 50 feet. Okay, so dimension is a little different over here. This is 24 feet instead of 25 feet, and on this side it is 50 feet. Okay, so we have a beautiful entrance over here because of this lawn over here, and then the staircase is quite unique, and I have liked the staircase concept in this particular plan. Like in the previous plan, I have not discussed the staircase, but it was from the outside the building and it was leading us to the next floor, and it was a open well staircase. However, in this plan we have a dog-legged staircase, and it is not provided from here but from here. Okay, so this way it is leaving the whole space for the door. Otherwise, if the up direction would have been here, then this door would have been like it would not get the height of 7 feet. It would have been restricted to 6 feet only. So the staircase concept is quite good over here. Now I have liked this very much. Okay, now every architect is thinking in some unique manner, and this one has quite impressed me today. Now we have this drawing room over here. Again, the entrance is again from here and here, both the directions, and you can see we have this dining area or the lobby, you can say. Then the staircase is also getting the ventilation, or the you can say the lights over here through this duct. Okay, so again this is quite a good thing. Okay, now this drawing area can get the ventilation from outside, and then our dining area is getting the ventilation from this duct, and we have a toilet over here. Okay, which is acting as a common toilet. Then we have this kitchen and 8 feet wide wash area, which is very spacious. Then we have this bedroom and attached toilet, so it is a master bedroom. So this plan is quite spacious. The most spacious was this one, but the most arranged one was this one. The plan 3 was most arranged one, and the plan 2 was somewhere in between. Okay, now the elevation of this third plan we are going to discuss. This is just the ground floor plan, and we are going to discuss the elevation for that. So you can see we have this elevation, and the main door is there. Then there is a beautiful design in the front, and you can see this is our plaster putty, and then we have our slab level, and the grooves, or you can say groups are there. Okay, so these are known as grooves in actual. It has been should have been renamed to grooves. So I will simply rename it. Okay, so this is not grooves, it is just the groove. Okay, so this should be renamed like that. Now you can see then again we have this slab level over here. So this slab level is needed to be mentioned, because if you will not mention that, then they will not know like at what height our slab should be, and according to that where we should end up the design, or from where we should start the design. So again you can see we have this beautiful balcony over here, and this curved design, like curves are my personal favorite. Okay, so you can have a different opinion on this, but the I like the curves very much. Okay, now that was all for this plan study, and I hope you have liked this session. And if you want to join our building planning class, then I will just show you how you can join that. You have to just go to the description over there. You will find the details of the classes. Okay, and the best thing about our classes is that all the sessions are going to be live. Okay, and you will also get the class recordings over here. You will get a personalized WhatsApp group, okay, where you can ask all your doubts. You can also get your projects checked by me. Okay, so we will provide you support for the next 3 projects. Then class notes, the class note that I have shown you in this session, that will be made available to you. Then the course fee is just 3,999. So I guess that this is a very minimal course for this quality of class. Okay, now how you can connect me? You can simply mail me on rajababudnr1@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp or call on the same number, that is 8433248864. Our batches is started on every 1st and 15th of all the months. Okay, so you can simply just go ahead, make the call, and make a step towards building your career. Okay, guys. So if you have liked the session, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want some kind of video on any particular plot dimension, then you can simply leave that in the comment section. I will try to make the video as soon as possible. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.